Yes, Sweetcoin doesn't pay you an actual money. It basically pays you based on vouchers and also offers. But there are tons of people who are not aware that they can take an actual advantage based on Sweetcoin and make money out of it. You can make approximately maybe around 200 to 300 rand per month. Yes, sometimes if you are lucky, you can make 700 rand per month. So you can be able to make an actual money out of Sweetcoin. So on today's video, I am going to show you my personal strategy that I use to make a lot of money. Even if it's not a lot, but it's something that can add up to my personal life. So make sure that you watch up until the end of this video to see the strategy or to hear the strategy that I'm going to share with you. But before we continue with this video, I just want to give shout out to these two people, which is Tepo and also Jerry. So I'm going to read their comment because they really make me feel so emotional and make me really be motivated to push harder to show you the strategies that I used to do and also that I'm actually doing currently to make money. Even if it's as little as 200, it helps and it adds up to my personal finance. So Tepo says, thanks for sharing. I watched this video on the 22nd of January. I followed the instruction as you explained. Today is the 30th and I have already completed one task and I made 250. Thanks once again. This actually shows that whatever I'm sharing with you guys, it is working. I'm not sharing something that I've hearing somewhere. I do my own deeper research and also I give it a test, and also some of the things that I'm sharing right here is something that I've seen my friends doing. So everything that I'm sharing on this channel, it's very legit. As you guys can see that Tepo have tried it and made it 250. And also Jerry says, hi, I am very impressed by you, especially by your concern and love for the unemployed people from the rural area. I pray that God may bless you and your business. Looking forward to work with you. My brother, if you have anything that you can see that it can work out, please don't hesitate to comment. Don't comment, in fact, go straight to my Instagram, which is Typical Tycoon. That's my personal Instagram, or maybe you can go to my business account, which is the Hustler Club. DM me and tell me your proposal and see if we can work this thing out. But thank you very much for this message. It really motivates me to do more. If you wanna see this video that I made right over here, I will put the link on the description or put it right over here so that you can watch that video whereby these people are really trying this side hustle. So now let's jump straight to what we are here for, which is Sweetcoin. Sweetcoin is basically an app whereby it is going to pay you for working. You just have to work. You don't have to be indoors. You need to work. So if you are not working, so it's not going to be very beneficial to you. So you need to be that person who's busy, who's going everywhere, who's going anywhere. If maybe they say go somewhere, take it as an advantage whereby you are going to use it to earn money on your behalf. So it is not going to, and you basically earn based on coins, right? And those coins, out of 1,000 steps, it is basically approximately to one coin. So you need to take, if maybe you are taking 10,000 steps, it is going to be maybe 10 coins approximately. The reason why I'm saying approximately, because it is not straightforward one coin. It is maybe around 0.95 if I'm still correct, or maybe I remember correctly. So it is, if you round it off, it is basically one coin, even though it is not exactly one coin. So whenever you take 1,000 steps, it is going to give you 0.95 coin. So you need to be busy. But because 1,000 steps are a lot, this is the strategy that I'm using. I use that app. I downloaded it to my mom's phone and then let it run. Remember, even if you don't have data, you can still be able to make money. It can still be able to generate or maybe count your steps as you are working. So please, make sure that if you are living with your sister, you are living with your brother, your younger brother who's always out there running outside, just make sure you download the app and let it be there. Let him know that please don't touch this app, let it be there. So you're just going to earn money out of it. And coins, these are the coins, not an actual money. So when the coins reach a certain percent or maybe certain amount of coins, then they are going to offer you some voucher or maybe some offers. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Remember, everything that you do in life, I don't care what is it, everything have the pros and the cons. Even school, when you go to school, even when you are saying you are not going to school, everything have pros and cons. So now let's look at the pros of Sweatcoin. So Sweatcoin, it is free and easy to use. So you can be able to install it on your phone and you can be able to navigate through it, and it is easy to be used. So there's nothing hidden everywhere. There's nothing that you can be maybe finding it difficult to find it. Everything is out there. And also you can be able to earn an extra income based on it. And also you get paid for working. Just imagine if you come and say, maybe I'm taking 2,000 steps this day. Maybe I'm going somewhere to do some errands or something. You're just taking a walk. You're just going to get paid. And also we have the cons out of it. So don't mind me looking down because I've written all my stuff right over here so that I don't forget. And also it limits rewards. There are limited rewards that you can earn. That's why I'm saying you can be able to have it. And also your little brother, your little sister, your cousins, whoever, you can install the app. Whenever they work, they just going to earn you money out of it. So, and also not full-time income. It's not something that you can make a living out of it. It's just a side hustle whereby you're just going to earn a little portion of money out of it. So I just want to tell you about this strategy that I will use when they offer you something like jewelries, something like maybe shoes or something that they're going to offer you. You can be able to take that and list it on Facebook Marketplace. If you haven't watched that video whereby I'm showing exactly how to navigate through Marketplace, please make sure you hit the link right over here, or the link will be on the description, whereby I'm showing you how to make money on Marketplace. So you can make the very same thing by taking whatever they are offering you and list it on Marketplace. That's how you make money. That's how I've been making money. So if you follow what I'm telling you exactly what to do, you can be one of the people that are sending me message and say thank you very much for what you have shared with us. So please make sure that you put in the work each and every time. When I share something, don't just try it once and say it doesn't work. Go and try it multiple times. And another way of making money out of Sweatcoin that people are not really talking about, people are more based on that it doesn't pay you an actual money. Whereby it pays you an actual money is whereby you are referring someone to exactly come to their platform and use it, which is affiliate program. Affiliate program is whereby they're going to pay you actual money. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm sorry. There's no such a thing. You're still going to earn coins. But what's the most important thing that remember we said with 1,000 steps that you are going to take, you're just going to earn 0.95 coins, right? 1,000 steps. With this one, if someone comes to your link and click on your link, download the Sweatcoin, you're just going to earn 5 coin exactly, not 0.5 coin exactly. So you can be able to make ton of coins by referring people to come to you. So if you have maybe a ton of followers on social media, you can share that link with them. It's a unique link that can be used on your advantage. So if you have a ton of followers, you can share it maybe on WhatsApp, you can share it on Instagram, you can share it maybe if you create content like me on YouTube, you can share it. So if you want to exactly download this Sweatcoin app to make more money with the strategies that I've shown you, please comment down below There will be link on the comment section. In fact, I'm not going to put it on the comment section. There will be link on the description section whereby I will put the link. You just have to click and download the app and continue to do what I'm doing. So if you watch this video up until the end, please make sure that you comment next app like the other one that we used to do. Just comment next app, then I will make sure that I go through all the things. I've been coming across the apps, but then the reason why I wasn't sharing them is only because those apps, I wasn't really trusting them. So I want to share something that I really trust, and I'm pretty sure that if I share, there are people who are going to listen to me and make money and follow all the strategies that I'm sharing. So if you are very gratitude about the information that I'm sharing with you, please comment down below and say thank you. Whether you say thank you, next app, I will highly appreciate that. And if maybe you've made something, comment down below and say, hey, I've made something out of this. Thank you very much. That keeps me motivated to go and look for side hustle that can benefit both of us. Remember, we are both benefiting out of this. Please subscribe. We are on our road to 2,000 subscribers. See you.